In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the quality in Capcut. If you're looking to elevate your video editing game and ensure that your project outputs in the best quality possible, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to make sure your videos shine with the clarity and resolution they deserve. First, let's start by opening Capcut and navigating to your current project. Before diving into quality adjustments, ensure that you've completed all your edits. Capcut is a versatile tool, and making sure you've finished your editing allows for a smoother exporting process without piecemeal revisions. Once you're satisfied with your work and ready to move on, it's time to adjust the settings before exporting your masterpiece. This is a crucial step as it directly affects how your audience will experience your video. Making the right choices here can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your work. Now, tap on the resolution option. This will present you with choices to determine how sharp and detailed your video will appear. Depending on your project's needs, you can select from 720p, 1080p, or even 4K. Choosing 720p is typically adequate for fast uploads and minimal storage space, but if you're aiming for higher quality, 1080p is the standard for high definition content. Should you want the ultimate in clarity and detail, especially for professional projects or large screens, 4K is the way to go. Next, direct your attention to the frame rate setting. Here, you'll have the option to select either 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Frame rate affects how smooth the motion appears in your video. A setting of 30 FPS should suffice for most conventional usages, providing a standard level of motion smoothness. However, if you're aiming for an ultra smooth, almost cinematic feel, especially for action-packed or fast-paced scenes, going with 60 FPS will add that extra touch of fluidity. Once you've made your choices regarding resolution and frame rate, it's time to finalize this process. Tap the export button again. This step will save your video with all the settings you've chosen. Keep in mind that higher resolution and frame rate settings might increase the file size and exporting time, so be prepared for that additional weight. Finally, after the exporting process is complete, your video will be saved directly to your gallery at the selected quality. Giving your project one last review in the gallery ensures everything came out as you expected and enables you to share or upload it wherever you need. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you now know how to change the quality of your project in Capcut, empowering you to deliver nothing short of the best for your audience. Happy editing, and enjoy the crisp quality of your newly exported video.